Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very hot topic that's on everyone's mind: will AI take the place of English teachers? It's a question that sounds futuristic, but it's not as far off as you might think. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we now have apps that can correct grammar, translate sentences, explain vocabulary, and even help you practice speaking. It feels like a sci-fi dream come true. Students can now learn English at their own pace, anytime, anywhere, using just a phone or laptop. Sounds amazing, right? But let's pause for a second. Can AI really replace a real, human English teacher? Let's look closer. AI is excellent at providing quick answers. It can grade tests instantly, suggest better sentence structures, and simulate conversation. But here's the thing: it doesn't truly understand you. It doesn't know when you're having a bad day, struggling with confidence, or feeling nervous before speaking up in class. A human teacher notices those things without you even saying a word. A teacher isn't just someone who explains grammar rules. A teacher inspires. A teacher listens. A teacher adapts lessons to your personality, your background, and your emotions. These are things AI can't fully replicate. At least not yet. And what about creativity? English is not just about rules, it's about storytelling, expression, and connection. When you write an essay or deliver a speech, you're not just using English, you're using your voice. A teacher helps you find that voice. An app? Not so much. AI is a brilliant assistant. It can make teaching more effective and exciting. But taking the place of a teacher? That's a different story. In the end, learning English is not just about mastering a language. It's about building confidence, expressing ideas, and connecting with others. And for that, we still need humans, with hearts, humor,